Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn Class 10 SSC Board Chapter 4 Financial Planning. In this chapter, you will learn important concepts. This chapter is very important for board exam as well as for understanding real life money management. So watch the complete video till the end and solve the examples with me and boost your exam confidence. Let's start. GST Goods and Service Tax, CGST Central Goods and Service Tax, SGST State Goods and Service Tax, GSTIN GST Identification Number. It is mandatory for the dealers whose annual turnover in previous year exceeds rupees 20 lakhs. Then PAN Permanent Account Number. GST rates according to the types. Number 1, zero rated goods, milk, salt, fruits, vegetables, earthen pots, food grains, etc. It's 0%. Then second one, services, use of roads and bridges, transportation of water, education, healthcare services, public library, agriculture services, charitable trust, activities, etc. Number 2, low rated 5%. Goods, spice, sweets, tea, coffee, oil, LPG cylinder, honey, frozen vegetables, etc. Number 2, services, air transport, economy class, railway transport, taxi services, bus services, etc. These low rated 5%. Then number 3, standard rated, slab 1, 12%. Number 1, goods, pickles, dry fruits, jam, jelly, sauces, butter, ghee, etc. Services, construction business, guest house, printing job, etc. These slab 1, 12%. Then number 4, standard rated, slab second, 18%. Goods, metal items, perfumes, granite, marble, printer, CCTV, monitor, etc. Services, currency exchange, outdoor catering, cinema, circus, drama, courier service, etc. These are slab second, 18%. Then highly rated, 20%. Goods, vacuum cleaner, dishwasher, washing machine, fridge, AC, motorcycle, etc. Services, amusement park, theme park, IPL games, water park, air transport, etc. These are highly rated, 20%. There are 15 alpha numerals in the GSTIN of a registered dealer. 15 alpha numerals. Formulae, total GST equal to CGST plus SGST. Rate of GST equal to GST upon taxable value into 100. Rate of CGST equal to rate of HGST equal to rate of GST upon 2. Rate of CGST equal to rate of HGST both equal. Tax equal to taxable value into rate of GST upon 100. Tax payable or GST payable equal to output tax minus ITC. Then brokerage equal to market value into brokerage percent upon 100. Selling price per share equal to market value minus brokerage. Total investment equal to number of shares into purchase means market value, purchase price, market value. Then dividend equal to number of shares into face value into dividend upon 100. Taxable value equal to selling price minus cost price. Market value equal to face value minus premium. Tax to be paid at the time of purchase, ITC short from input tax. Tax to be paid at the time of purchase, input tax, ITC. Tax collected at the time of selling, output tax. Tax collected at the time of selling, output tax. Market value equal to face value minus discount. Rate of return equal to dividend income upon sum invested into 100. Purchase value of shares equal to market value plus brokerage plus GST. Selling price of shares equal to market value minus brokerage minus GST. Questions. Number 1. Pawan Medicals supplies medicines on some medicines of the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and HGST? Answer. Rate of GST given 12%. Rate of CGST equal to rate of HGST equal to rate of GST upon 2. This is formula. GST 12%, 12 upon 2 means 6%. Rate of CGST equal to rate of HST equal to 6%. Number second, on a certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of HGST? Answer, rate of CGST given 9%, we know rate of HGST equal to rate of CGST both equal, so rate of HGST 9%, CGST 9%, so rate of HGST 9% also. Number 3, on a certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of HGST and what is the rate of GST? Given rate of CGST 9%, we know rate of HGST equal to rate of CGST, so 9% HGST. Then rate of GST equal to rate of HGST plus rate of CGST. Here 9 plus 9, 9%, 9% means 18%. Rate of GST 18%. If the face value of a share is rupees 100 and market value is rupees 150, if rate of brokerage is 2%, find a brokerage paid on one share. Answer, brokerage paid on one share 2% given. So 2% market value 150, market value into brokerage, so 150 into 2 upon 100, 2 into 150 300 upon 100, so rupees 3 rupees. Next, face value of a share is rupees 100 and premium rupees 65, then what is the market value of the share? Answer, face value 100 rupees given, premium given 65 rupees. Formula, market value equal to face value plus premium 100 plus 65 means market value rupees 165. Practice set 4.1. Number 1, Messrs Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and tax value of each tin is rupees 2800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and HGST charged in the tax invoice. Answer, tax value of each tin 2800 rupees. There are two tins. So tax value of 2 tins equal to 2 into 2800 rupees 5600. GST rate given 20%, rate of GST 20%. So rate of CGST equal to rate of HGST equal to rate of GST upon 2. This formula here given 28, this upon 2, 14%. So amount of CGST equal to rate of CGST into tax value. Formula, rate of CGST 40%, 1400 and tax value 5400. 0 cancel, multiplication 784. Amount of CGST equal to amount of HGST equal to rupees 784. Number 2, the tax value of a wristwatch belt to belt is rupees 586. The tax value of a wristwatch belt is rupees 586. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? Answer, tax value of a wristwatch belt rupees 586. Rate of GST 18%. So GST on belt 586 into 18%, 1800, multiply 10,548 divided 100, so 105.48. Therefore, total price of the belt for customer equal to taxable amount, this one 586 and GST 105.48, so addition rupees 691.48. Total price of the belt for customer. First GST on belt 105.48, then total price of the belt for customer. Formula, taxable amount plus GST, taxable amount 586, here GST on belt 105.48, total rupees 691.48. Next question, the total value with GST of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770. Rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find the tax value, CGST and HGST for this toy car. Answer, total value for toy car with GST rupees 1770. Rate of GST 18%. Then find the tax value. Let the taxable value for toy can be X, this one, rupees X. So GST on this amount X, so X into 1800, so 18x upon 100 GST. Then Formula: total value for toy car equal to tax value for toy car plus GST. Tax value for toy car here x and GST 18x upon 100, and total value of toy car 1770. Then cross 100 into x, 100x, 18x, 100. Then 100x plus 18x, 180x, this 100 multiply. So here 1770 into 100 upon this 118 equal to x. So here 18, so here 15, 15, 18, here 15, 15 into 100, 1500. So tax value of toy car rupees 1500. Then GST equal to total payable amount minus taxable amount. Total taxable amount here 1770 and GST here 1500. So subtract 1770 minus 1500, so GST 270 rupees. GST 270, so HGST equal to CGST equal to GST upon 2 formula. So GST 270 upon 2, so HGST equal to CGST equal to rupees 135 rupees. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. Rate of GST charged was 20%. Find the purchase price of washing machine and also find the amount of CGST and HGST shown in the tax invoice. Given here, discount 5% on 40,000. So first printed price value rupees 40,000, discount 5%. So discount equal to 40,000 into 500, 0 cancel, so rupees 2,000. So taxable amount 40,000 minus this amount 40,000 minus 200, so rupees 38,000 total amount. Then rate of GST 20% given, so rate of CGST equal to rate of GST, HGST equal to GST upon 2. This is the formula. So GST given here 20%, so rate of CGST equal to rate of HGST equal to 14%. Then amount CGST 30,000 into 40%, so 0 cancel, so 5,020. Same amount of HGST 30,000 into 40%, so 38,000 into 4100, 0 cancel, rupees 5,020. So first question, amount of CGST 5,020 and amount of HGST 5,020. Then GST equal to CGST plus HGST, this formula, CGST 5,020, HGST 5,020, addition 10,640. So total payable amount, this one here 38,000 plus GST here 10,640, means this HGST, CGST, this addition, so total 48,640. Total payable amount equal to total amount plus CGST plus HGST, CGST 5320 plus 5,320, addition this total amount here 38,000, so 38,000 plus 5,320 plus 5,320, addition 48,640. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.